Now the next step is we will fold both the edges 2 times. Fold the edges twice. We will do that on the same side of both the edges. And sew running stitch. So you see we have finished folding both the sides and we have sewed running stitch. So this is going to be the opening of the bag where our handles are going to be. You can draw and sew a design of your choice on one side of the bag. I have used colorful thread to sew over the design that I drew. I have sewed running stitch over the design. If you want, you can sew cross stitch. Now fold the bag. This is the front side. Fold the bag in the reverse like this. See the front side and the inside part or the reverse part. Fold it equally and we are going to sew on both the sides like this. So we will sew on both the edges here like this. See, this edge and this edge. Sew running stitch. I'm using a colorful thread so that you will be able to identify the stitch, how we are stitching. So we have finished sewing running stitch on both the edges. If you can see this blue line. So we've stitched on the reverse side. So we got like a bag, but this bag is again inside out. This is the inside part. Now we will sew the handles. Turn your bag inside out. For stitching on the sides, you can use the white color thread. So see, we've got our bag which is ready. Now we will sew the handles that we had stitched. So these are the handles and we will sew on both the edges like this. We'll place this on the inside. But before that, we will mark the center. So fold your bag in half and mark the center. So you see, I've marked the center. I'll place my scale on the center point and then mark equally on both the sides. So this is 2 inches, 2.5 on one side and 2.5 on the other side. Similarly, on the reverse side also we've marked the center. Again place your scale and mark 2.5 inches on both the sides of this center point. Now we will sew the handles from the inside edge. See to it that both your handles are of equal length. Take any one handle and sew from the inside like this. Now we have folded the edge So we will sew like this on the edge. You can use running stitch to sew your handles. So we finish sewing handles, and just to decorate the bag we have sewed colorful buttons on both the handles. So our cloth bag is now ready.